Facebook wants to monetize an entire country overnight. YouTube don't ban an entire niches before overnight. Even TikTok, they adjust royalty structure where they reduce creators' income quietly. Just imagine you wake up tomorrow and YouTube don't send message like, sorry we are no longer paying creators. Even TikTok and Facebook don't switch off their own money button. All those late nights, editing stress, generator fuel, and ginger, gone. Just vibes and inshallah. Scary, abi? But guess what? It's possible. If it ever happens, who go survive? Let's talk truth today. Let's not lie to ourselves. This content live as an African no be beans. We already dey manage low CPM. Brands dey reply like snail. NEPA no get conscience. Network dey do like it's on break. Now imagine say YouTube or Facebook just talk say we change our policy. Monetization is now region locked. Africa excluded. What happens to all the creators who no plan for this? They go just start again from zero or worse, quit. But here's what the wise separate from the wailing. Smart creators no just dey build channel, then they build systems. What is a system? A setup that keeps paying you even if the platform disappears. Let me break it down to you. Your YouTube should lead to something, not just views. Build your email list, create lead magnets. If YouTube crash today, your audience still in your hand. Promote a skill, a product, or service inside your content. Even if AdSense is off, you still dey cash out from things you own. You can also create evergreen content. You will turn those videos into courses, ebooks, webinars, or paid newsletters. And don't forget to connect directly with your audience off platform, WhatsApp group, Telegram channels, email list. Own your connection, because one day these apps fit wake up and block your bread. But if you built your own system, you go still dey chop. You think say I dey talk anyhow? Facebook wants to monetize an entire country overnight. YouTube don ban an entire niches before overnight. Even TikTok, they adjust royalty structure where they reduce creators' income quietly. If your whole income depends on algorithm favor, AdSense, or brand deals, you dey build house for borrowed land. Let me give you 5 quick things you fit start today. Number 1, start a simple email list. MailChimp, Beehive, etc. Offer something free in your video, like a guide, a checklist, or a template. Number 2, build a digital product, ebook, mini course, template, or service you get value and monetize it. Number 3, mention your product or offer inside your videos, not just subscribe. Say download my video guide below. Join my WhatsApp group for serious creators. Number 4, create content that teaches, not just entertains. Value content lasts. Evergreen content can feed you for years even if the trend has passed. Number 5, own at least one community. Telegram, WhatsApp, private Facebook group, somewhere you go fit talk to your people without gatekeeper. Platforms come and go, algorithm changes, but your influence, community, and reputation, if you build them well, nobody fit take am from you. So no put all your hustle inside one app where you no get. Use the platform, but don't depend on it blindly. Don't go hustle finish, suffer NEPA and MTN only for one app update to wipe your monthly bread. Let's be smarter than that. Build leverage, own your people, create value beyond just views. If you are ready to future-proof your content hustle, type no be only YouTube in the comments. I go drop part 2 on how to create passive system as a creator. Like, subscribe, and share this with one creator where they put all their eggs in one AdSense basket. This creator life sweet, but only for those wey sabi package and plan. No dey play with your future. See you in the next video.